How to properly use MyFitnessPal app. Firstly, you have to open MyFitnessPal app. In this way, you can see here the dashboard, your diary, your newsfeed, your plans, and your more. Your today's accounts of the galleries. Now you can see here today's and the day by day your calories on the dashboard. You have to select on the diary. In this way you can add your meals, and according to this chart you have to spend your whole day. News feeds, you can add different posts about it. You can make your plans of your workouts, walking, and nutritions. In this way, in more options, there are different routines and the goals are appear here. In this way, you can use your MyFitnessPal app properly. Just make sure watch the complete video. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.